Converting Canadian dollar to US dollar in Questrade allows you to take advantage of opportunities in US markets. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Questrade account. Visit Questrade's website or use a Questrade mobile app and log in with your credentials. Access the Accounts tab. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. This shows all your accounts, including those holding Canadian dollar. Go to the Currency Conversion tool. Find the Currency tab or foreign exchange option within your account. This tool allows you to convert between Canadian dollar and US dollar. Select Conversion options. Choose Convert Currency or a similar option. Select Canadian dollar as the currency you want to convert from and US dollar as the currency you want to convert to. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of Canadian dollar you wish to convert into US dollar. Review the exchange rate. Check the current exchange rate offered by Questrade. Rates may vary, so ensure you're comfortable with the rate before proceeding. Execute the conversion. Click Convert or Submit to complete the transaction. Your Canadian dollar will be exchanged for US dollar based on the current rate. Verify conversion. After the transaction, check your account balances to ensure the conversion has been processed correctly.